Hello again, year three, and thank you for joining our next maths lesson where we're going to continue learning about money. So far this week we've been adding money. Yesterday we subtracted money, and today and tomorrow we're going to be calculating the change from money. But as a starter, we have these questions to complete. So Ron has these coins. He spends 33 pence. How much does he have left? Question 2, what is £1 subtract 50 pence? Question 3, what is £2 subtract 50 pence? And question 4, 40 pence plus blank equals £1. 20 pence plus blank equals £1. Blank plus 25 pence equals £1. And blank plus 55 pence equals £1. Again, the knowledge that 100 pence is £1 will help you with that last question. As always, pause the video there, have a go at those questions, and we'll come back together in just a moment. So let's look at those answers. If he spends 33 pence, I've crossed out the coins that add up to 33 pence. I can see there is £2.50. What is £1 subtract 50p? It is 50p. What is £2 subtract 50 pence? It is £1 and 50p. And these number bonds to 100 again. So 40 pence plus 60 pence equals £1. 20 pence plus 80 pence equals £1. 75 pence plus 25 pence equals £1, and 45 pence plus 55 pence equals £1. I've given you this already, but it'd be another one to check your knowledge on, because it's going to become very, very important for this lesson as well. How many pence are there in £1? There are 100 pence in £1. To continue our lesson, I'm going to share a slightly different screen, so bear with me one moment. So let's look at the change for Ron. So Ron has £1 to spend. How much change would he have if he bought A, 40p apple, B, 75p cupcake? What do you think? How could we solve those? Let's have a think together. So if the apple costs 40 pence and he has £1, I've changed my £1 into 10 pence coins. That's the same as 100 pence or £1. So there's still £1 there. And that allows me to cross out 40 pence really easily. I can cross out 10, 20, 30, 40 pence. How much change does he get? You should be able to see the answer now. It is 60 pence left over. And for the cupcake, I'm going to use a different method. I'm going to use a number line. I'm at 75 pence. I'm going to calculate the difference. I'm going to count on from 75 pence to £1 to work out the difference. So there's my 75 pence. If I add 5 pence, I get to 80 pence. If I add 20 pence, I get to 100 pence or £1. So the change he would get would be 25 pence. Let's have a look at some more examples. Ron has £5 to spend. How much change would he have if he bought A, £2 drink, B, a £1 and 75 pence donut? You might be able to work some of those ones out yourself. Let's use some similar methods to the ones we've just looked at. So for A, we can make sure those £5 are 5 £1 coins, because then if we take away the £2, we can see he would get £1, £2, £3 change from that. For the donuts, let's start at £1.75 and let's do our counting on strategy to work out the difference. I'm first going to add 25p to get to £2. Then I'm going to do a big jump of £3 to get to £5. I can see the amount of change he's going to be, given it's £3 and 25 pence. That is the change. Slightly trickier one for you to look at. Jack buys a comic costing £4 and 55 pence. He pays with £10. Which set shows the change he receives? Let's first of all work out how much money in each set. So here there's £5, £6, 20, 40, 5. £6 and 45. This next one, there is £5, 20, 40, 50, 5. £5, 55. The next one, there is £5, 20, 40, 5. £5 and 45 pence. Which one do you think will be the right amount of change? How much should he be given? Let's have a look together. And again, I'm going to use my number line strategy. I'm going to start at £4.55, and I'm going to calculate the difference between that and £10. So I'm going to start by adding 5 pence to get to £4.60. I'm then going to add 40 pence, which will get me to £5. And then one big jump of £5 to get to £10. If I add up all of these numbers at the top, £5, 40, and 5, I get my answer, which is £5.45 is the correct amount of change. And you can continue to use this number line strategy to help you count on or work out the difference for that change. So we're going to move on to our challenges, which is again going to be a slightly different screen. So bear with me. There we go. As always, you can work through one question at a time with the video, or you can pause it, open up the PowerPoint and do them all in one go. How much change would you get from a £10 note if he spends, or if someone spends £5 on flowers and £2 on an ice cream? Pause the video, have a go at that, and we'll look at them in a moment. Let's look at the answers for that. If I have £10 and I spend £5, I'm going to get £5 change, because 10 take away 5 is equal to 5. And there's no pence involved in that, because there's no pence involved with the cost of the flowers. Next one, if I have £10 and I spend £2, it's simply going to be £10 take away £2, which I know is £8. And again, there is no pence involved. It's going to be £8 and 0 pence. Next question. How much change would you get from a £10 note if you, question C, spend £9.85? I'd be using my number line method from that to count on from £9.85 to get to £10. £8.50 and £2.75. In fact, I'd probably use the same strategy for all of those questions to count on to find the difference. Pause the video, have a go, and we'll look at the answers in just a moment. So let's look at them together. If I'm at £9.85, if I add on 5 pence, I get to £9.90. And if I add on 10 more pence, I get to £10. So it's 15 pence in total. So £0 and 15 pence. The next one, I'm at £8.50. If I add on 50p, I get to £9. If I add on one more pound, I get to £10. So it was £1 and 50 pence. They were my two jumps. Next one, I'm at £2.75. If I add on 25 pence, I get to £3. And if I add on £7, I get to £10. So I did a jump of 25 pence first, and then I did a jump of £7. A final question for us to look at. Annie buys some crayons, and they cost £5.25. She pays with this money, and I'm thinking that's £5 plus £2, £7. So she spends £5.25 and she pays with £7. She gets this change. She gets £1, 50, 70, 95. She gets £1 and 95. Sorry, let me try it again. I think I've made a mistake there. £1, 50, 70, 85. £1 and 85 pence change. Has she been given the correct change? What do you think? Pause the video, have a go at that, and we'll look at it together in a moment. Again, if I were you, I'd be using my number line strategy. I'd start at £5.25, add on 75 pence to get to £6, add on another pound to get to £7. So that was £1 and 75 pence, which is what she should have been given. But she's been given £1 and 85 pence. So Annie hasn't been given the right amount of change, because it should be £1 and oh, I've forgotten myself now. Should be £1 and 75 pence instead of £1 and 85 pence. Well, well done if you spotted that one. For a challenge X, can you create and solve your own word problem involving change? You can type it in the space below this box. As you can see, if I click on the box, there's lots of space to type it into. Just before we finish today, year 3, I'm quickly going to share our fluency challenge, 40 times 5. Now for this one, I'd be thinking 4 times 5, that's 20. So 40 times 5 is going to be 200. We can use those related facts to help us solve those slightly trickier times tables. Thank you for joining today, year 3, and I hope you've managed to have some success with giving change and calculating the difference. And we're going to continue working on it a little bit more tomorrow to give us some extra practice. Thanks. See you next time.